Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 9 from the playlist of IIT JEE Main Physics Part 1. The topic is the calculation of fractional error. So this is the topic from the chapter of units and measurement. And today I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT JEE Main exam in the year 2025. So this is the question which was asked in this year itself. So the question here is, quantity is formulated as q is equal to x to the power minus 2 into y to the power 3 by 2 into z to the power minus 2 by 5, where x, y, z are the independent parameters having fractional error of 0.1, 0.2 and 0.5 respectively. So the fractional error in the measurement of x is 0.1, the fractional error in the measurement of y is 0.2 and the fractional error in the measurement of z is equal to 0.5. So fractional error is basically the other name of relative error. So here if q is equal to x to the power minus 2 multiplied by y to the power 3 by 2 multiplied by z to the power minus 2 by 5, then delta q upon q. Now delta q upon q is what? This is the fractional error or the relative error in the measurement of q. So this will be equal to, now here we have to find the maximum fractional error in the measurement of q. So the fractional error in the measurement of q will be given by mod of minus 2 delta x upon x plus 3 by 2 delta y upon y plus mod minus 2 by 5 delta z upon z. Here delta x upon x is the fractional error or the relative error in the measurement of x. Delta y upon y is the fractional error or the relative error in the measurement of y, and delta z upon z is the fractional error or the relative error in the measurement of z. So the fractional error or the relative error in the measurement of q, this will be equal to 2 multiple. Now delta x upon x is the fractional error in the measurement of x, which is equal to 0.1. Delta y upon y is the fractional error in the measurement of y, which is equal to 0.2, plus this will be equal to 2 by 5, and delta z upon z is the fractional error in the measurement of z, which is equal to 0.5. So here this will be equal to 0.2 and this will be equal to 0.3 and this will be equal to 0.2. So 0.2 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.4 and plus 0.3, so this is equal to 0.7. So the maximum fractional error in the measurement of q will be equal to 0.7, which is equal, so the correct option here is C. So thank you very much for joining this session. So in the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the chapter of units and measurement. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.